Hello, my little ones. How we doing out there? Hope you guys have been doing wonderful since the last time I spoke to you. Welcome to another fantastic day under the sea with me, Mr. Phishy. And in today's episode, we're going to learn about the alphabet. Can you say it with me? Alphabet. One more time. Alphabet. Awesome. Now, I know what you guys are probably wondering. Hey, Mr. Phishy, what's an alphabet? Well, that's easy. The alphabet is a set of letters or symbols in a fixed order. Now, these letters and symbols can be used to create words like boy, girl, towards, or forward. But we're going to focus on just one special letter today. That letter being the letter A. Can you guys say A?
A.
Awesome. One more time.
A.
A. Just like that. The letter A is the first letter in the alphabet, and that's the one we're going to focus on today, little ones. Can you say ah? Like when you're surprised? Well, that's one sound A makes. It also says its name A, like when you say the name acorn. Now, there are over 1,000 words that begin with A. Let's just go over a few so you know how these words sound. Follow me to my special magic treasure box, shall we? Let's go. Now, next to me is my special treasure box. This treasure box contains all sorts of wonderful hidden treasures inside. Let's open up and see what we have, shall we? We have a, wow, an apple. Can you guys say apple?
Apple.
Yeah, just like that. One more time.
Apple.
Apple, great. Apples are good for you, crunchy and yummy. I don't think I'll take a bite, shall I? Now, let's see what else this treasure box has installed for us. We have a, an alligator. Careful of those teeth. Can you guys say alligator?
Alligator.
Nice. One more time. Alligator. Nice. Now, I want you guys to put your arms up like this and simulate like you're chomping down like an alligator. Chomp, 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 chomp. Chomp, 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 chomp. Very cool. Wow, we saw an apple, an alligator. Let's see what else is inside this magic little box. Whoa! Wow! An airplane. Can you guys say airplane?
Airplane.
Awesome. One more time.
Airplane.
Fantastic. Well, just like an airplane, you guys have to stretch your arms out and then fly around the room like an airplane. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Just like that. Fantastic, guys. You guys are doing so well. Wow, we learned a lot from that little magic treasure box, didn't we? Now that we've gone over a few words that begin with the letter A, let's tie it into a fun little song that we all can remember. And don't worry, little ones, you don't need any instruments. You can just clap along. Are you guys ready? Follow me. A is for apple, red and round. A is for airplane, flying sound. A is for alligator, snap so tight. The letter A is out of sight. If you remember this little rhyme, in the future you'll be fine. Wonderful, little ones. You just practice that little groovy tune and I'll promise you'll remember the letter A. You little ones are doing so well. Now that we know what the letter A is and what letters begin with A, well, let's find out how to draw this little dude, shall we? It's very, very simple. And don't worry, you don't need pen, paper, or any of that. We're going to use our imagination. Are you guys ready? I want you to use your hand that you write with and point it into the sky. This is going to be your imaginary pencil. And I want you guys to follow me along. Are you ready? We're going to draw a capital A. It's very easy. You guys ready? I want you to point to the screen, and then just like me, we're going to go up, we're going to go down, and then we're going to put a slash in the middle. You guys ready? One more time. We're going to go up, we're going to go down, we're going to lift our pen off the paper, and then right in the middle, we're going to draw a line. That is a capital A. One more time, little ones. Start at the bottom, go all the way up, then come down, lift the pen off the paper, and then a dash in the middle. Congratulations, you just made a capital A. Now we're gonna draw the lowercase a, little ones. Follow along. We're gonna start in the middle like this, create a nice circle, just like that, and then come around and then put a nice little long tail at the end of that circle. One more time. Start in the middle, draw a nice circle like this, boop, and then at the end, put a nice little tail. Congratulations, you just made a lowercase a. Fantastic, little ones. You guys are so smart. Wow, little ones, we had so much fun today learning about the letter A. We found apples, alligators, airplanes, we sang some songs, and learned how to draw the capital and lowercase a. It was truly a fun experience. I hope you had fun too. Well, little ones, that's all the time you have today with me, Mr. Phishy. If you guys like what you see, make sure to like, subscribe, and tell a friend. I'm sure they'll be happy you did. And as always, before you go, try fishing in the waters of knowledge. You'll never know what you'll catch. Take care, little ones. See you in the next one.